Plump all-beef hot dogs with a quick homemade chili topped with diced onions and shredded cheddar. Ready for a delicious and quick meal idea that everybody loves? Make this easy chili dog recipe right away. So this is a fabulous upgrade from that same old hot dog recipe. It delivers all the feels, it is quick, it is easy, and the hot dogs are extremely delicious. It all starts with us making a really easy chili recipe. Prep on this is dead simple. Dicing up half of a red and half of a green bell pepper. Then you're gonna need half of a sweet onion also diced, plus 1 garlic clove diced. Then we head straight to stovetop. We're dropping 1 pound of medium ground beef into a medium pot set over medium heat. Pro tip, we love a chili where the meat is all crumbled, right? No big clumps of ground beef. Easy to achieve, you need to stir a lot. Just keep stirring the ground beef vigorously as it cooks. This will crumble it up perfectly, and when the pink is gone and the meat is cooked, we're gonna season. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, a teaspoon of kosher salt, about half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna stir to incorporate the seasoning into the meat. Next we add the diced onion and garlic, stir them in and cook them for about a minute. Then we add half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Favorite barbecue sauce? Boy, do I ever have ideas, like Weekend at the Cottage original barbecue sauce or our spicy version. I'll put links up on the story at weekendatthecottage.com. You'll be able to find a retailer near you selling our fantastic products. We'll also do a link so you can purchase and we'll ship straight to you. Now let's continue with this recipe. Once the world's best barbecue sauce is added to this chili, we're adding 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We're gonna stir the barbecue sauce and tomatoes in to combine. Then we're adding the green peppers, the diced red peppers, also 1 18-ounce can of kidney beans. They're drained. We're gonna stir everything together, cover, reduce the temperature to simmer, and we're gonna cook for 20 minutes. Good thing about this easy chili recipe is you can serve it straight away as a tasty meal. Add grated cheese and a sprinkle of parsley, that's all you need. You can also portion some off into a container and freeze it for the next time chili dogs are requested. But right now we're just continuing. Time to make those chili dogs. For the chili dogs, we're heading to the barbecue. Turn the left side of the grill on, but not the right side. We're gonna be cooking our dogs over indirect heat. While the barbecue comes to temperature, head back to the kitchen, grab a quantity of buns to match the number of dogs you intend to serve, wrap them up tightly in foil, and then over to an oven set on low heat. I find 175 degrees Fahrenheit does the trick. Once the barbecue is nice and hot, about 500 degrees Fahrenheit, we add the all beef hot dogs to the grill. We're gonna place them over the indirect heat, close the lid, leaving them to cook for about 3 minutes. Then lift the lid. We're gonna turn them a bit. You can see they're already starting to plump up. I like to cook them for another 3 minutes, turn them, then another 4 minutes. So that's 10 minutes total over indirect heat. Hot dogs are plump and juicy. We remove them from the grill, head indoors, and we're gonna finish assembling our chili dogs. And if you've got a crowd, they're gathering right now because everyone can hardly wait for chili dogs. Unwrap a bun, place it on a plate, a lined basket, or your cutting board. Now we do a run of our easy chili recipe, so flavorful. Next, the hot dog, a run of our easy chili recipe. I then like to do a sprinkle of the diced onions, a squeeze of a favorite prepared yellow mustard, and of course, a drizzle of Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce. Today I'm using spicy. Then add some grated cheese. A combo of cheddar, jack, and mozzarella is perfect. You can serve with chips or a slaw or your favorite side. Okay, wait, before we dig in, two things. Let's say you're serving vegetarians. You can make the chili using a vegetarian ground round, and you can cook up vegetarian hot dogs. The second thing I want to mention, let's say it's not the best day, maybe it's even the middle of winter and you can't use your grill, just do this. Cooking hot dogs at stovetop, a large skillet, add 1 cup of water, we're gonna bring it to a boil. We then add the hot dogs, cover, reduce the temperature to simmer, cook the hot dogs for 10 minutes. You need to move them about in the pan to get that brownish red color and to have them plump up. Then, the same treatment, hot dog goes into the bun. We're gonna add the chili, sprinkle with onion, add mustard, barbecue sauce, cheese. Yes, please. Full recipe is up at Weekend at the Cottage. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when chili dogs are this fantastic, take a picture of them, post them on your favorite socials using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our easy chili dog recipe. Dig in, everybody. This meal is doggone good. Yay, perfect. So good.